In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Redfin notifications on iPhone. Let's get started with a simple step-by-step guide that will make your life easier by silencing those pesky notifications. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the gray icon that looks like gears turning. You can find it on your home screen or simply search for it by swiping down and typing Settings in the search bar. Opening this app is crucial because it's the central hub for controlling your device's preferences. Once you have the Settings app open, scroll down to find the option labeled Apps. This section lets you manage all the applications installed on your device. It's like a control center for your apps, giving you the power to tweak how they behave on your phone. Now tap on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications you have installed. Here you can see everything from social media apps to productivity tools. The goal is to locate the Redfin app, which might be nestled among others you frequently use. Next up, scroll through this list and tap on Redfin. Selecting the app will take you to a dedicated page where you can adjust settings specifically for Redfin. It's like having a remote control just for this app. This step is important because it allows you to customize how the app interacts with your device. After you tap Redfin, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section is where you can control how and when Redfin sends you alerts. Notifications can be useful, but sometimes they become overwhelming, which is why knowing how to control them is essential. With that ready, turn Allow Notifications off by toggling the switch. When the switch turns gray, it means notifications from Redfin are now disabled. This ensures that your phone won't buzz or beep every time there's an update from the app. You will notice a calmer, less interrupted day once notifications are off. Turning off notifications is particularly useful if you're trying to minimize distractions or preserve battery life. It's a small change, but it can have a big impact on your overall phone experience. You might find that you have more peace of mind and a little extra time without constant alerts. Now that you've successfully turned off Redfin notifications, take a moment to appreciate the newfound silence. Without those constant pings, you might find it easier to focus on what's truly important. Plus, your battery might last a bit longer throughout the day. Before wrapping up, remember that you can always turn notifications back on if you start missing those updates. Simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to green. It's all about finding the right balance for your lifestyle. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your Redfin notifications on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, enjoy your quieter, more focused phone experience.